Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll skip about Hashfix or Household promo of 2 attempts. Try again later on Dropbox. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Dropbox. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Dropbox. Here you will click on install your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.